The first alarm clock ever made could only wake you up at 4 a.m. no matter what. Forget setting your own time. In 1787, clockmaker Levi Hutchins built a device that rang just once each day, precisely at his preferred hour. Hutchins wasn't trying to revolutionize mornings for everyone, he just wanted to make sure he got up before sunrise to start work on his family farm. His invention was basically a wooden box with a bell inside, rigged to strike at the same time every morning. If you needed to wake up later or earlier, tough luck, the clock didn't care. There were no snooze buttons, no adjustable dials, and absolutely no mercy for late sleepers. It took nearly a century for adjustable alarm clocks to reach the market, meaning for years, if you wanted an alarm, you were stuck living by Hutchins' early bird schedule.